Hello Internet, this is Marko here bringing you the latest in market insights for the week of July 7th, 2025. As I've discussed in a previous video, we're entering a historically challenging period for AnyColor and Hololive in terms of market price. We're already seeing this trend play out in the second week of this month, which could have significant implications for both brands. Hololive's Cover Corporation, whose chart is displayed on screen, has been in a free fall, losing 12% of their gains after their Q4 report plunge. The company is just 10% above its 2025 low, a price crash that occurred after missing their projected targets due to overspending and higher than expected operational cost. If share prices drop below the green box on screen, they will have dropped below 2,000 yen a share. Should they reach the yellow bar, prices will have reached 1,848 yen a share. These are crucial levels to monitor, especially for potential investors in Cover Corporation who are wanting to buy at a discount. While their first half earnings are anticipated to be modest due to substantial upfront costs, Q2 has historically been a strong quarter for them, making a discounted purchase potentially advantageous. Looking at their competitor AnyColor Inc., they are also at their typical summer decline phase, and they are heading towards their earnings gap from their Q4 report. There's still approximately 13% room before reaching the bottom of that gap. AnyColor would need to shed 41% of their current price to revert to their pre-recent success levels, a possibility demonstrated by Cover Corporation's recent 45 implosion over the past 6 months. This is a critical juncture for both companies. Last year, we saw how a single action from the Japanese government raising interest rates plunged the Japanese markets into a free fall, with Cover touching 1,491 yen and AnyColor hitting 1,900 yen. This year, a trade agreement deadline is fast approaching without finalization. The Bank of Japan has been unable to raise interest rates due to outside influences. Inflation has been slowly creeping back into the economy, and the price of rice has doubled in Japan. Both companies will need to navigate the summer downturn in their stock price while ideally maintaining profitability in Q1. They must also contend with any trade agreements, interest rates increases, and inflationary pressures. If you are currently holding stock, prepare for a bumpy ride. If you're not invested but are considering it, keep a close eye on these unfolding events. You might just spot an opportunity. A drop in price doesn't necessarily mean it won't rebound. Even if you don't buy at the absolute lowest, a tentative observation and tracking of their movement could yield surprising returns. That's it for now. Please stay tuned for more information and more updates. This is Marko signing off. Peace.